All right, welcome. Now we're given two separate questions where we are asked to simplify each of the following by collecting like terms and factorizing. Now we dive in quickly by writing solution, as is our tradition in this channel. Solution. Next we'll copy out what we have as first expression. A, we have a 2pq minus 4pr plus qr minus 2rq plus 4qp. We move straight ahead to collect like terms, hence we have our expression equal to 2pq. Next we have a plus 4pq minus 4pr plus qr minus 2qr. Solving further, we have 2pq plus 4pq gives us 6pq. We bring down minus 4pr. Now we'll have a plus qr minus 2qr, ends up giving us minus qr. We're done with collecting like terms. Now, to factorize, it's possible to factorize out in different ways. We can choose to factorize out p from our equation, and when we factorize out p, we have our equation to be equal to p bracket 6q minus 4r bracket close minus qr. Or we can decide to factorize out the variable q, and when we do that, we have answer to be q bracket open 6p minus r bracket close minus 4pr. Or possible, we are asked to factorize that r. When we factorize that r, our equation becomes 6pq minus r bracket 4p plus q bracket close. Either of these, any of these theory can be our answer depending on what we are asked to factor out. Now, we move straight ahead to a B question. Here we have 5lmn minus 5ml plus 6ln plus 7mnl minus 4ln. Now we are asked to collect like terms first, as we write equal to, and our equation becomes 5lmn plus 7lmn. Next we have minus 5lm plus 6lm minus 4ln. Solving further, we have 5lmn plus 7 LMN gives us 12LMN. Next we have minus 5LM plus 6LM give us LM. Next we bring down 4LN. Proceeding further, depending on what we are asked to factorize from this algebraic expression, answer could be equal to, if for example we're asked to factorize out L, answer becomes L bracket 12mn plus m minus 4n bracket close. Now if we're asked to factor out both L and m, our answer becomes L bracket open, m bracket open, 12n plus 1 bracket close minus 4n bracket close. If we're asked to factor out both L and n, our answer ends up becoming L bracket open is a bracket open, n bracket open, 12m minus 4 bracket close plus m bracket close. And this either of these theory can be our answers depending on what we're asked to factor out. Thanks for viewing our video.